A new fuel supply line on. Remove this banjo bolt on top of the fuel filter housing and this one on the P-pump. And it's going to leak a bit of diesel, so make sure you catch it. In case one of your low pressure hard lines springs a leak, grab yourself steel stick or seal-all, cover up the pinhole, then take a rubber hose and some hose clamps, clamp it down. It should be good to go. I had a leak somewhere under here. This is that steel stick epoxy. Seemed to hold up pretty well. I mean, it's only holding back 30 pounds of pressure, plus the hose clamp if you're ever in an emergency. Time to put the new guy on. Check for fuel leaks. Looks good here. And here. Time to fire it up.